In this video, I'll guide you through the process of signing up for the Audible affiliate program. Additionally, I'll provide beginners with an overview of the program, including how to utilize it, potential earnings, and obtaining your unique affiliate links. To begin, let's head over to the Audible affiliate page. Typically, you can find affiliate program links at the bottom of a website, but Audible's affiliate program is not located there. In this case, open a new tab and use Google to search for Audible affiliate. The Audible affiliate program should appear as the top result. Click on it. Once on this page, you'll be presented with two options. It's important to choose the option that aligns with your goals. Audible is owned by Amazon, so you can promote Audible through the Amazon Associates program if you already have an Amazon Associates program, if you already have an Amazon Associates or affiliate account. By doing so, you can earn $5 for each free trial and $10 for each paid membership through the Amazon Associates program. Alternatively, you can join the Audible Creator Program, which is separate from the Amazon Affiliate Program. Under the Audible Creator Program, you can earn $15 for each trial membership. While promoting through Amazon may be suitable if you already have an account, I recommend signing up for the Creator Program because it offers an additional $5 for each trial membership to join the Creator Program. Click here to sign up. This action will redirect you to a different website. The main Audible Partner Program is powered by Impact, which is an affiliate network. If you don't already have an Impact account, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and a website. If you don't have a website, you can sign up using a YouTube channel or a social media profile with content. Next, select social media under promotional information and provide the necessary links. You can see that you will earn $15 per order, and your transactions will be held for 2 months before payment to accommodate refunds. Review all the terms and conditions and then proceed to sign up. If you already have an Impact account, click on Already Have an Account, log in with your credentials. Once logged in, review the Audible agreement again. Scroll down to the bottom left where you'll find the option to approve the contract and continue. Your application will then be pending review by Audible. After approval, you'll find Audible in the drop-down menu. Select it and click Create. This will generate your unique affiliate link, which you can share with others. When people sign up for a free trial using your link, you'll earn a commission, and all tracking will be managed through Impact to set up your payment method and receive earnings. Click on the 3 dots in the bottom left corner, go to Settings, and navigate to Finance. From there, select Bank Account and enter your payment information. Save your settings, and you're all set. Now you just need to wait for Audible to approve your application.